Hello everyone, back again with me, Jorza is here. In this video, I will make a portable speaker model that is simple and easy to make. For you guys who learn Blender for the first time, I'm sure that you can follow this tutorial for easy. And by the way, if you want to learn more about Blender, you can join my membership on my Patreon, click link down below, or you can write patreon.com/studio_Jorza, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And by the way, first thing first that I'm gonna do over here, I will delete all of this. Click X, Shift A, I will add some cylinder. And in this side cylinder, I will using around a 60. I want to have it a smooth design over here. So let's try to make it a little bit more higher, something like this. And then click this object, go into the modifier. Let's go add some bevel. Segment using 20, and then for amount using like 0.01. Just keep it like that. And then after that, you can see about the detail over here. So it will be looks like this. Shift D and just make it a little bit more bigger, and then after that just make it a little bit smaller, at least something like this. And now looks a little bit interesting, and then so we can keep it like this. And now I want to duplicate this one, Shift D and make it more smaller. Grab it up a little bit over here, at least something like this, and then just make it a little bit like having some gap between this between this object and up here. So this will be some button that like some power button that we want to use it. And then after that, Shift A, I want to using some cube. Alright, so now let's go move down here, and now duplicate this one, Shift D. And just make it a little bit thin. Just make it like that. More smaller. At least something like this. Just grab it here. Alright, so now just grab it up a little bit. I will using a toggle X-ray. Yep, like this. And then click tab. I will using faces. Click I. Just make sure that having a little bit small size, because this one will be for using as some rubber. Alright, something like this. And then faces, this one over here. And now let's move up here using some edge selection mode, and then we'll just using this one. Hold your Alt, click F, and then choosing this, click F. And then after that, we can move over here. Click Alt, click F, and then so will be looks like that. And now let's click here, hold your F, so we'll be close it like this. And then after that, I will not using bevel, but I will using some subdivision surface, because I want to have it looks designed like some rubber. And we can edit more, like more thick like this. And now we can using like 3, and we'll be having some a size like this, so we can keep it here, and we can see, and this is the object that we already made, but it's not done yet. And then after this, I will add some level name. Shift A and go to the text, move it into the right side, click tab, and then here you can edit some name as you want. So I will keep it named like this. And then now let's move into the font. Using some, maybe I will just using some Arial, will be just better, and it's just simple. I mean RX and then 90, so we can move it over here. Just move it into the middle, and then RY 90, so we can see how it looks like. Alright, just put it a little bit more smaller, at least something like this here. Alright, now let's move it back over here. Grab it up a little bit. Now that's cool. Let's edit some extrude it by edit some. Alright, so now let's add some geometry, which is just extrude over there, and we'll be having more a thickness. At least something like this will be more better than before. Alright, so now we are in the shader editor. Something that we want to do over here first, I want to choosing this. Click new, and then we can see from a the viewport, and we have to using cycles because we want to using some a little bit detail over here. Alright, so click. Alright, so if you already add some a material, Shift A, add some matte, put down here, changing into greater than. Connect this value into the alpha. So just keep it like that, and then after that just add some a Voronoi and put the Voronoi over here. Connect distance into the value, and then after that Ctrl T to edit some mapping and texture coordinate, and after that changing UV into the vector. So it will be looks like that. This is kind of nothing because we have to decrease this, make it 0 for randomness. Alright, so if you already decrease this randomness, so just scale up this into 500, so will be looks like this. But if you see it from here, you can see about the detail, and then from the detail over here I will be using around 200, so will be looks like this. And then yeah, will be looks a little bit simple, but it's also like heavy to your model. But yeah, you can bring down first for this one, at least like 10,000 will be okay, but will be also will be same like this. And then after that we can bring down for the roughness. We can do it bring down roughness, bring up the metallic also, just keep it like that. And then yeah, we can bring back over here so we can see how it looks like. This is looks different and looks better. So now let's go move into the color. I already have the color that we want to use it, which is this is color hex, so you can copy it to having some same color as this one. And now let's go move over here. I will using this same material as this one, but after that I will duplicate this one first. I will not using this greater than, so I just disconnected, and up here will be same as like that. So same as like this one, just using the second one. Let's go move into the down here. So over here I will using the same color as the first one, so it will be looks like that. But I think over here for the bottom I want to add some a detail production text or something like that, will be more interesting. So let's go move into this UV editing. But before that I want to go back into this Alright, so now let's go back into the viewport setting and just click tab, choosing just only this one, the bottom one. Click I, just make it a little bit more smaller, at least something like this. So if you already do that, just click this or just keep it like this. And now we can changing this greater than, Shift A, but I think better to a duplicate first. So connect distance into the best color. So I will delete this also. Shift A, add some mix color. Put the mix color over here. Image texture. So just keep it here. Put into the second one. Connect into the best color. And for this color, we can using the same color as we have it now. And then after that, just click A to select all of this. Make it more smaller, at least just keep it here, so we can see from the bottom how it looks like. This is which is nothing, so we can choosing just only this one in the middle, and then move it here, move it back over here. So let's go using some viewport settings. Just grab it up, and then at least just make sure that having some same size as this one. Okay, so we can move it more. Alright, so now we can see, and we have the object now. Some products, some production text that are already made from the Illustrator. So by the way, if you want having this text also, you can have it from a Gumroad link down below. Alright, so guys, tutorial for today, it's really easy to make it something like this, just taking a little bit some time to make it exactly like this, but I'm sure you can follow it this tutorial step by step. And by the way, if you want to have file exactly like this, you can join my Patreon, link down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Always support this channel to becoming more bigger and bigger. Jorza is here, see you in the next video.